I'm sure you've heard the news. YouTube is still a goldmine in 2025. Let's unlock its potential together. First, enable monetization through the YouTube Partner Program and earn from ads. Next, dive into affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content and disclose sponsorships to stay compliant. Offer exclusive content with channel memberships and super chats, and sell digital products like ebooks and courses. Don't forget the YouTube Shorts Fund. Create viral shorts for quick cash. Use crowdfunding platforms to engage with fans and earn support. High-quality, binge-worthy content attracts YouTube premium revenue. Try automated channels with stock footage and AI voiceovers. Repurpose content for multiple platforms to drive traffic back to YouTube. Stay consistent, creative, and engaged with your audience. Start today and watch your YouTube revenue soar.